Mitram and Bandhvom, welcome to South Asia Maps. South Asia Maps is a education channel, intellectual Charitra channel. Here, your presenter Dr. J. Reddy will bring you the fascinating aspects of the knowledge about Indology, human ecology, and global geography, and all these in iconographic form. That means representing the abstract concepts in the iconographic form in the form of maps, images, pictures is the uniqueness of my particular channel. When you spend around about 15 minutes to watch the video, you will get a lot of information. That means my intensive passion for nearly 4 decades, you can understand very easily. That's why I started this channel to benefit the inquisitive personalities or knowledge conscious personalities so that you need not spend the same amount of time that I had spent. Today, this is our Telangana series. We're continuing part 20. 9 districts to 33 districts. When Telangana state was formed, when Andhra Pradesh formed on the linguistic basis 1956 State Reorganization Committee against the recommendations Telugu speaking districts, there were around about 9 districts, actually 10 later, including urban Hyderabad. That means if you remember 9 districts, and if you remember four, let's say 10 districts, and three important prominent towns in those districts, you will get around about 30 districts now. That's what it is. I will walk you this intuitive way. That is one way to understand the land. That is the Prithvi and Achala or Nischala Bharat Mata. So why this is important? And if you read any politics, history, geography, anything like that, this is plays a very important role everywhere you see the places. Take for example the modern Jilla formation, district formation started with the British acquisition of Indian territory during the Warren Hastings time, round about 1785 or so. They appointed a geographer called James Runnel. From that time, systemization of geographic knowledge of British India started. Eventually, districts were formed. Their formation, the solidified at the time of partition independence. At the time of partition independence, there used to be round about 300 districts broadly in India. Now there are round about 1,000 districts in India east of Radcliffe Line. West of Radcliffe Line, that is the Punjab, Sindh, Baluch, Khyber, there are round about 170 districts. East of Bhagirathi Line, there are 18 districts. If you pull all this together, there should be round about 1100 districts or so. That means if you know only 300 districts of partition time, and if you know at least three places in each district, you can get the modern 1200 districts or so of Bharat. That is the entire point. So, in that context, I am making this presentation that will be helpful to you. 9 districts, always remember 9 or 10 really does not matter. So, and whether you include or ignore urban Hyderabad districts. 9 district to 33 district. This video is recorded 24 March. There are 33 districts at it. And Mitram, and this is my our Telangana series, and previously I posted 19 series, the 19 parts. Now 20th part is district formation or genesis of modern district or metamorphosis, means change of the districts from 9 to 33. That is, I have posted the many other series. You can look at that. There is the Haryana series, round about 61 so far in Rayalaseema series, Side district of Simandhra Pradesh. And this is again Rayalaseema. This is Tamil Nadu series. I posted Tamil Nadu series. And this is the British Punjab. And this is again British Punjab, Kerala series, Maharashtra series, Himachal series, Bengal presidency, and so on. All you can find at my education channel. There are more than 500 or so videos in 2024 March. You can go and look them. They are immaculately made with meticulous care. You can enjoy them and learn a lot. That is YouTube channel South Asia Maps J. Reddy. Before we start 33 districts, it's a little hard to know the 33 districts. Let's say this is the map around about 1980s or so. That's the map atlas I have, so I always take from it. And this also gives the historical perspective. How to remember these 19 districts? That is eastern part. That's the Adilabad district, Karimnagar district, Orugallu district, Warangal, Khamma. We got 4 there. The western part, Induru, that is Nizamabad district, Metaku district, Rangareddy district, ignore Hyderabad urban area. Then Palamuru, Mahabubnagar district. You have 4 here, you have 4 there. Central Nalgonda district, that is 93 districts, 9 districts we have now. How we got these 33 districts from 9 districts is the story I will walk you today. So, in 1948, there was around about 8 districts. That means when Nizam integrated princely state of Hyderabad bearer reluctantly after police action. Operation Polo, September 1948, 8 districts were there. I'm talking about Telugu speaking district. We are ignoring right now Kannada speaking, Marathi speaking districts of princely state of Hyderabad. 53, 9th district, Kamo was formed from Warangal district. And later some district like Godavari district, some areas transferred. I am ignoring this for the present time. Aswaraupeta and Bhadrachalam, they were part of East Godavari, given to Khammam district. 1956, when the Telugu speaking Rayalaseema, Simandra region joined to Telangana. So in 1978, Rangareddy urban district was formed, and 2016 there were 33 districts, 2024 there are 33 or so on. These are the 33 districts. So it's like very mind-boggling for the people to know the 33 districts. So if you know the 9 districts and follow this, that strategy, it will be much more easy. Let's start over. Remember, there are 10 districts. That means if you know each 3 parts in each district, you can elevate them, those taluks in the district, around to 33. So you get it. Let's start off north of Godavari River. There is a district called Yeddulawada, also called Adilabad. Important town, eastern part is Asifabad town, southern part is Nirmal town, other part is Mancherial town. So you have Adilabad district, Asifabad, that is also called Komaram Bhim, Nirmal district, Mancherial district. So from these 4 taluks historically you have 4 districts now. This is the Induru district, that is Nizamabad district, and this Induru is the Nizamabad northern part, Kamareddy is the southern part. You have 2 taluks I mentioned, you have 2 districts now. So this is the Karimnagar district, southern part of Godavari Nadi, Jagatyala Taluk, Pedapalli Taluk, Karimnagar Taluk, and Sirsilla Taluk. So you have Jagatyala district, Pedapalli district, Karimnagar district, Sirsilla district. So you can see Jagatyala district, Peddapalli, Karimnagar, Sirsilla, Kamareddy, Nizamabad, Mancherial. So you got the districts there. Next go to Metaku district. Medak district, that is the Kaulas district. Sangareddy area, Siddipet area, Medak. You can see Sangareddy district, Medak district, Siddipet district. Then the Rangareddy district. You have Vikarabad area, Rangareddy area. There is a transition zone, Hyderabad district to Malkajgiri district. So that's not that critical, but I have mentioned. Western part Vikarabad, eastern part Rangareddy, Hyderabad urban, Malkajgiri district. So we got this. So the other important southern district was Palamuru district. That is Mahabubnagar district. Here you see the Samsthanam, like a state, like below the princely state of Hyderabad, Gadwal region. Then the Narayanpet region, Vanaparthi region, Nagar Kurnool region. So you have 5 districts are so. Gadwal, Jogulamba, Narayanpeta, Vanaparthi, Mahabubnagar, Nagar Karnal. So 5 taluks, if you remember, you get to 5 districts here. This is the east of the Dindi river. There is a district called Nalgonda district. So Nalgonda, Suryapeta, Yadadri. So Nalgonda district, Suryapeta district, Yadadri, Bhuvanagiri district. You got it. So then we go to Orugal district, Warangal. This is a little complicated because historically there was used to be only the Warangal district, Orugalu. Later Khammam district was formed round about 1948 or so. And so some of the districts they overlap the boundaries, but I have made things easier for you without getting too complicated. Warangal district, Jangan and Bhupalpalli, Mulug and Mahabubabad. You can see Jangan, Warangal, remember there is urban and rural zone, does not matter, Hanmakonda. Then Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Mahabubabad. So you see 5. Taluks 5 district. Then Khammam district, Bhadradi. Again, there had been some changes to Khammam district because of the Polavaram project. The certain areas were given so that there are not much complications in holding the project and so on. So, for our purpose, Khammam, Bhadradri means Bhadrachalam district. So, that is the, in a sense, metamorphosis of 9 or 10 districts into 33 districts. Why this is very important? The importance lies, already we discussed here, if you remember 300 districts, we can get 900 districts very easily from the pre-partition Bharat. And let's say the Pakistan at the time of formation, after ethnic cleansing, that means they removed all the Kafiri people because they are the believers. So called after purification, reading of Jahiliya, it's called, to put it mildly. At the time, this is the Darul Ilam, Darul Harb, that is Jahili territory and Kafiri territory, Ilam territory. That is the ideological divide, Radcliffe line. So if you remember these, it's a pure land. Pak itself is pure. The land itself was pure because of the ancient sages and Sindhu Nadi. They did tapas and they thought it's a pure land or a sacred land. But after conversion process, they thought it otherwise. The ideology told them. They made it again pure. That's called Pak. Pak means a Persian word, means pure. For our purpose, 1950, 63 districts are there. Now, these 63 districts, if we elevate the round about 3 each, it comes round about 190 districts. So that's what Pakistan, that is the west of Radcliffe Line district. So you should know this, so very easy to grasp the modern districts so that you can understand the things easily. So I already had all these things you can see in the districts playlist of my series. Here I am giving British India around about 44 divisions in Punjab and in Sindh, Bombay Presidency, Madras Presidency, Nizam's territory, Central Provinces, Bengal Presidency, Assam, and so on. If you remember these 44 divisions, add round about 5 districts each, you will get 200 districts right here itself. That means you will get deeper understanding of Bharat Mata. I have not included Rajputana and Madhya Bharat region, not to make the things complicated. There are many princely states there. So take for example, if you want to know about the partition of India, partition of Punjab, which is a very vast region, British Punjab, is very difficult. If you know there are 5 divisions, Lahore being the center, and Attok, Rawalpindi other side, and Multan. Rawalpindi Multan was predominantly Muslim majority district, and Lahore has both Muslims and non-Muslims Kafis, whereas the eastern divisions, I mean Lahore division, that is the Jalandhar division or Hisar division here, or Delhi division, sometimes called Haryana division. These Jalandhar division and the Haryana division is a predominantly non-Muslim population. So how the partition occurs, you can understand very clearly. If you do not have that broader understanding, even divisions, understanding will be very less, and you cannot grasp the significance and how that process has undergone. And once you know the division, and each district division you give 4 or 5 district. Take for example, if you care Rawalpindi, Attak and Shahpur district and so on. So if you Multan and Multan district and main Wali district and Muzaffargarh district at least. In Jalandhar, it is Ludhiana, Firozpur and Kangra district and so on. In Haryana, you have Karnal, Ambala and you have Gurgaon area and Hisar district and Rohtak. So now the things become very easy. The Radcliffe line, that is the Gurdaspur district, Amritsar and Lahore district and Shahiwal district. So that's why you have to know the divisions first to understand the things very deeper level. That helps you. That's the purpose. Again, here I have posted others 10 districts to 38 districts of modern Tamil Nadu province. So very easy to remember, like Chennai and Arcot region, one district. This is Cholanadu, that is Tanjavur and Tiruchirappalli, Baramahal district and Kongunadu, and you have Vaigai area and Poligars and Wayanad region. So Kongunadu we have like Nilgiris and Erode, Coimbatore and so on. Arcot we have North Arcot, South Arcot, now the Kadaluru region and Vellore region and Tiruvannamalai. So once you know the broader, I'm trying to say it's very easy to understand. Even if you know this 10, you can understand how this process has occurred very easily. That is the entire point that I have articulated into the Telangana region. Metamorphosis from 9 districts or 10 districts of Telangana into 33 districts. So I will put that a little more enlarged. You can know how these 10 districts were metamorphosed into round about 33 in 2025. Thank you very much for joining me today, Mitro and Bandhu. And if you like the series, you can consider subscribing it and bring it to the notice of your friends and other co-workers, and you can also post your comments and suggestions. And see you later in other presentations. Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps.